Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do my eyebrows so that they can look like this over here. So stay tuned. So today we are going to need a brush that I'm going to use for my powder, baby powder, concealer, brush, and a spoolie. So first you're going to put your powder. I put my powder in my hand first, and then I go in with this brush, and then I just dab my powder. I'm going to be looking down at my mirror, so I hope you all be able to see me. So I go in with the powder first and just dab my brows. And then make sure your eye pencil is sharp, so I'm going to sharpen mine. I'm using the Davis eye pencil, but it can't be seen, it's in dark brown. So I'm going to sharpen my pencil first. It's sharp. And then I'm going to outline my brows. Okay. Outline your brows however you like or how they naturally look like. First outline them, and then you're going to fill them in. So now they're outlined, so now I'm going to fill them in, and you want to extend this area over here. I'll tell you why later. Extend here, and then this one should be shorter at the top. So now I'm going to fill them in. As you're approaching the front, don't press your pencil so much, or don't fill them in too dark as you're approaching the front. Just do it a little bit. You fill in the other side too. You do the same for the other side. And then for a more defined look, you can do the sides with black so that you can have brown here and black here so that you can see the transition. So here's my black eye pencil. This one is also Davis. So I'm going to fill in the ends. Yeah, you can see the difference. Okay, do the same for the other side. Wow, it's breaking. Do the same for the other side. Yeah, so that's it. And then I'll go in with my spoolie just to even out the eyebrows. So this is what you're going to do. Even it out. So now you see why we were doing the long stroke at the bottom first, and then we did the short stroke at the top, because we want to have this natural looking eyebrows. We do not want harsh lines over here. So just going to blend, pull the I pencil from the bottom to the top. I'm sure you understand what I mean. Yeah, so just like that. So you can already see the difference between the two. You can see this one is, yeah, it is fading. This side is darker than this side. So you're going to do the same for the other brow. Yeah, so I feel like I need to go back in and add a little more, like that. Same to this side. Then blend out the hash line at the bottom. Yeah, so that's it. And then we are going to clean with the concealer. Just going to extend that a little bit, then clean it up. So now I'm going to clean with my concealer so that I can get the defined brow. You're going to go in with a concealer that is lighter than your skin. Mine is Illegal Pro Concealer and it's in the shade Fawn. It's in the shade Fawn. I'll write it down here, somewhere here. So I just do this and then I go in with a brush like this, both sides. Then I go in to do my brows. You want to be very careful while you're doing this. So you outline it first and then we are going to blend it in later. By outlining your brow, this helps you get a much more defined look than when you just leave it like that. I'm also going to do the top with the same concealer in Fawn. Just clean that up. Yeah. You can see it already looks defined, yeah? So we are going to blend that out. I'll just use this brush to blend it out. Or you can use your foundation brush to blend it out. Blend it out so that you don't have those harsh lines. The reason why we are outlining our brows is that so that we can create depth. We can create depth to the brow so that it can look more defined. So that's it. That's how you create the most realistic that's how you create realistic looking eyebrows. So it starts fading from the front, and as you're going away from the brow, it tends to get darker. Okay, yeah, so that's how you get a realistic looking brow. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to this channel. This is 100% Elaine. And yeah, if you have any other request, you can let me know. So guys, can you see these strokes? Yeah, strokes of hair. Yeah, so I'm just going to do my makeup off camera, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys the final look.